Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. I don't go check how West Ham go fare before we play them. You know, say as we won't play West Ham now, this is our match. So I don't reason whether it go dey easy for us, I don't go dey easy for us. So I can't discover say we get one advantage because West Ham still there for Europa League semi-final. So they go play Eintracht Frankfurt. So they go first of all play Eintracht Frankfurt on the 28th of April after them play at home. Then before they will come go play the second leg away for Germany, they will come play Arsenal on the 1st of May. That's like 4 days later, you get, before they will come travel. So after them play that Arsenal match on the 1st of May, they will come play Eintracht Frankfurt the second leg on the 5th, you get. So there is no way they're not going to rest players to play Eintracht Frankfurt because they know say Arsenal game they sandwiched in between their home and away fixture, you get. So after them play Arsenal, they still get like just 4 days. So that 4 days no go be 4 days because the 4th day now they go play. So they go gas travel to Germany. So let's call it 2 days because they gas travel one time. They no go travel 1 day before, they go travel like 2 days before. So people like maybe Mikel Antonio, they no go play, Lanzini, Nobu, all those ones they no go play because that game they very important. And God forgive me, God say they can't go lose now against Eintracht Frankfurt. Let me say that second leg will be do or die. So they will try to win well for that their first leg. But Eintracht Frankfurt said everybody knows they no be pushover. They then come out Barcelona. Home and away, Barcelona no fit win them. So the match now a very strong match it will be. So everything will come to our favor. If you check Chelsea match self wey West Ham play, if you check now 89 minutes, now Chelsea take win the match. They just score 1 goal. Wey Pulisic score. Even though West Ham get red card, they still miss penalty. But what that match, we see Mikel Antonio dey for bench. All those kind of Lanzini, Novo, now those Yamalenko, now then start. All those ones they be shit back and they be Benjamin members then. So now then start. So any which way, I don't say we'll get edge, but I hope say we'll take advantage of this game. So away from that, so Postco's come aside from media setting when they talk about the match between Arsenal and Manchester United. So Baba can talk say for that match, say the penalty where they give Arsenal, it no make sense. Say that penalty is supposed to be offside. I mean they leave her for offside. Don't say in Nketiah they offside when Nketiah score. They can't use VAR, cancel the Nketiah offside. They can't reverse, can't check the action will happen before Nketiah score. Can't talk say tennis. 9 foul Saka. So for that reason, they will give Arsenal penalty. But back on the talk say they're supposed to leave the team for that offside. After that offside, that's all. Nothing like reversing. Go they check action which don't happen a few seconds ago. So now they just jam themselves. You get now 50-50 challenge. Anything happen. Which I say they can't give them penalty. Well, now normal level you get. Some people they bias, especially when things concern their team. If myself they concern Arsenal and they did bias in my judgment, even though it's not supposed to be so, but actually it just be. Don't like your brother they fight somebody, you can't come there because they ask what happen. Naturally you go get one kind of bias for your brother. You go want know what happen, you go want support and they in favor of him. That's so it just be. Well, it is what it is. We don't win, we say we don't win. If now Arsenal that happen to self, all of us will cry foul. So that's so it just be. On my military spiritual that they call Daily Star, they let us know say Arsenal they set to make a £50 million offer for Tammy Abraham of Roma. You know say this guy they very prolific this season. Arsenal supposed to buy him last season when they are available from Chelsea, but we no can't take a chance on him. Roma can't swoop in. They buy the guy I think £40 million. Karango, the guy don't score 24 goals in no competition for Roma. He just scored like 15 goals for Serie A in 33 matches. Then he scored 8 goals for Europa League. I think he scored a few in Cup. Everything comes up to 24. He made a few assists. That's why he's now a hot property. And the guy is very young. And Arsenal self, now in club will be saying in love with his heart. He just unfortunately say we no sign him that time. So now we are going back for him. So what do you think? It makes sense. I mean, no make sense. If you say the guy they here, we not go really they suffer with. You will take the suffer with like I said. There's no way with Tammy Abraham will play 20 something goals. You know, 20 something matches. He no go score. You get. That's why I like the guy. And the guy they pacey, install the targets man. He can give you hold up play, whatever you need. He can give you. But the question now is Roma and Arsenal, because Roma is playing in Serie A. Arsenal is playing in EPL. Shey you go compare the two leagues. Say as the guy they prolific there, he go really play very well here. Don't forget, say in time for Chelsea before he left, it was the joint highest goal scorer I think with Havertz or I think Timo Werner or Havertz, I can't remember, but he was the joint highest goal scorer, scoring 12 goals. The guy did very good. Everybody knows say in front of goal, they take IC posts. But the question now is he the best man for Arsenal moving forward? Because we have multiple options. And if we can secure that top 4, we can get more and more and more options. Nobody will go on sign will talk say I don't want cup. She that Champions League will talk say no fit give you. You day now, by that time you go down day. So that is why getting this Champions League slot is very, very important. Gabriel Agbola himself don't come aside for media set because they talk say if na him be Arsenal, say him go wrong go sign Ivan Toney. Say Ivan Toney na a very, very good striker. We get multiple features. When go fit give Arsenal, she na goals you want, he will give you the goals. Is it hold up play you want, he will give you hold up play. Is it assist? Is it nodding down ball? Is it passing? Is it presence? Is it a target man? Is it a focal point? He will give you all these things. And the sweet part is say it's not going to cost too much. It's not going to be demanding a crazy salary. You get, say the guy go there available and he will be very, very happy to move from Brentford to Arsenal. Anybody will play Brentford, you say you go feel the presence of Ivan Toney. You go say yes, you play a very strong striker. So that's why Baba the talk say make Arsenal go sign the guy because he go dey very, very good and it go make sense for us to use and replace Lacazette. They will come buy another person to replace Aubameyang. We don't go. Still get another person who will replace Nketiah. We still fit go. You get all these people got to replace them. So now so it just be. Hector Bellerin don't win Copa del Rey with Real Betis, so Moko just follow congratulate the guy. And you know say the guy dey on loan there, he never dey settled for the final. Say whether he go really stay there, he go come back. Though himself say he go like to remain there because that place na him papa club, him papa love. So I never know that Real Betis go come buy and finally so okay, oh yeah, how much last more buy the guy. So because at the end of it, everything wey dey go there, he go return to Emirates because now loan he go. No be say we sell him out, and no be say him contract dey expire at the end of the season. But the guy, you know, say in the surplus to requirements for Arsenal now because he don't serve us for a very long time. He's one of the old guards. So make good there, go enjoy life. No need them again. Your right self don't come outside. They talk say El Neni. Say like El Neni too much. We playing, don't play the last few games they play. So if the guy hold ball, everything they look now forward. You know, be all those kind the midfielder we say the whole ball. They're gonna do back passes, sideways, back passes, back. If the guy hold ball now forward ever in the look, who I will give this ball for front? Now you know the waste ball. So the guy is Mr. Dependable. Now the name we call the guy. So the guy did very, very good, and I like asking the praise the guy. But then himself, he don't try for us. He follow for one of the resurgence factors who gets. At the same time, right come outside, they criticize Tavares for giving away penalty to Manchester United. Say, as a defender, what's it concern you with jumping up and putting your hand outside? Now say it don't make sense. Get Baba talk plenty, but once you go realize, you say this guy now small boy. Remember, say no be our first choice. Now Benjamin members in be. Now I want to say Tierney know well. That's why we can use her. He has a lot to learn. So more just give the guy more chance. Like Ateta talk, so more help the guy. Get him go make mistakes. That one na Shola. So now our job for us to help him. If we no help him, come on, the mistakes go spoil the guy. Can look at Maguire now. Now because Manchester United fans don't help the guy in the time of need. Normal, he will make mistake. He will get one kind of bad run of form. They no help him building confidence back. Imagine that way Tavares they do anyhow they come out him. To say we can't continue like that, compete with Benjamin. You know, go get this confidence. So you can't get. I can't say they go score now. So now so it just be. You will learn from your errors. You get fail your way to success. That's what it's supposed to be. Tony Adams himself don't come aside. Come they talk say Tomiyasu is back. Saying they very, very happy. Say because Cedric Suarez they scare the life out of him. Say even though Cedric Suarez they play, say no they get that 100% confidence. Say fear but they catch him. But now we say Tommy don't play at least a few minutes, like 5 minutes for that Manchester United match. Say you never know whether the next match that will play against West Ham, whether they will start Tommy or they will start Cedric. So more they watch and see. But you know say if Tommy they there, Tommy they give him confidence for there. Emil Smith Rowe don't get one kind meeting with Dennis Bergkamp. You know say Emil Smith Rowe they idolize Dennis Bergkamp. So with the way the guy they play, I don't know how they set up the meeting, but just to say two of them meet, snap pictures. You can see the picture flood all social media. So meet up and say okay, my show and my left now say two of them don't finally meet one on one. You know, you will seek some advice from and say how did they do this kind of thing? Okay, do like this. No, as a legend now, it's because Emil Smith Rowe said they hope say one day, they say we'll get legendary status for Arsenal. So why you the show I'm one of two things? Well, I'm happy they finally met. On my way from that, so Pep Guardiola can come outside for media setting where they ask him about Gabriel Jesus. So Guardiola can talk say Jesus now still their player. Say may they forget all the old rumors so they go on. Say they don't even they think about all those ones because Jesus scored 4 goals and made 1 assist against Watford. So Guardiola come talk say wetin make am like Jesus be say even if he know dey play, he dey come training every day, comes early, giving his best every day. So when there is sport available, coach go say okay, oya come play, and if he enter, he go perform like say tomorrow no dey. Say the guy is a very very good player. So na say just talk. Even Jesus sef, they go dey ask am say how far na all this transfer speculation, whether he go confirm am, wetin dey sup now. But I say, are you expecting me to say yes it is true? Say no, you no wan put mouth for that matter. Say in your own business now to follow Man City, help them win the league title. They don win league title with them like 3 times. So you know how the feeling be. So in job now to help them win am again, get make them enjoy, because they never win am like this. Then with Liverpool, a back-to-back win, they just the win, and then they got Liverpool with 1 point. So anything can still happen. More the watch. Even though Tavares don't come as I can talk, say in dey very very happy saying score in first Arsenal goal, and not just against any side, against a Manchester United side. And back on talk say almost say man you pepper them gone. Say now until Granit Xhaka can score that in long range screamer. Now everybody might come down. So okay, 3-1. How many minutes to go? Rob Holding himself can enter to secure everywhere. So nothing they happen. They can be very very happy. Say they secure all the way. But man don't talk about any error or anything. Just they very happy. Face positivity. They go front. About Michael Thomas, maybe one of Arsenal greats, don't come as I call the talk. Say Darwin Núñez that the best man for Arsenal. So make them sign him. But the problem now is say Arsenal will fit afford him to make like £70 million or more for a Darwin Núñez. Maybe say no be only us they go for him, you get. And now because no be only us they go for him, maybe say many people don't involve, you get. The price now go skyrocket. So about the talk say she will go fit afford him or myself I don't know, I don't fit answer that question. But I believe say bag go dey now. If he's our main target, bag go dey, because this one we don't dey in advanced negotiation with Gabriel Jesus. I believe say Jesus that will replace Lacazette, then Núñez or whoever else is going to replace somebody like Aubameyang, then maybe Cody Gakpo. Now we're going to replace Nketiah. I never know how all this in the sub, but these are the signals I'm getting. So more to watch. And then himself don't come aside, can make a contract plea to Arteta, Richard Garlick, and Edu Gaspar. Say almost saying love this play. Say no, they have 6 years again. This is in home. So you know they think about the contract. You know they think of leaving. You get. So they talk plenty things. And I don't say indirectly. I begging the beg them say I beg. When they give me new contract, because it will make sense. I even fight for Champions League finish. When you come follow them play the Champions League, but I never know whether they will give this guy a new contract, because for the summer now, if you come buy some kind of midfield recruitment, all those kind of Ruben Neves, all those kind of Bissouma, all those kind of Awa, many players they are available, Marcel Sabitzer, then buy all these people now, where El Neni will play. And don't forget, say next season we'll play Champions League, EPL, FA Cup, Carling Cup, or EFL Cup. Play many things, and we need all the players we can get in case of injuries or coronavirus. Get one funny thing wey happen after Man U play Arsenal. So some Man U players won't give Arsenal fans their shirt. All those kind of Jesse Lingard and Marcus Rashford, they give Arsenal fans their shirt. Man U fans call the para. So they get out of their club. Why they go give Arsenal fans their shirt? This and that. When I just did love, don't say Arsenal say once upon a time. Don't reason Rashford. See they won't sign out. So I don't know that. What made the guy give them a shirt? I never know. Well, I seen in the sub more the watch as things go happen in the future. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click am so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy this new week. I get out.